Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust the volume controls and mute on your Alienware keyboard AW510K. Let's get started. So, as a first step, let's talk about the mute function. On your keyboard, you can see this mute key, which is located near this scroll thingy. And by clicking on it, you'll be able to mute all of these sounds from your computer. You can also see it on this panel right here, and you was able to see it on this panel on the left edge before. And now, if you want to unmute back, click the same button and your volume will be back. And now let's talk about the scroll thingy on the right edge of your keyboard. If we will scroll it up, the volume on your PC will increase. And if we will scroll it down, the volume will decrease. And you can also see on the screen of my laptop how it works. So that's it. Now you know how to manage the volume right from your keyboard. And that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.